The only thing that I know about changing somebody's luck is that personally singing about it helps me get out all the bad energy.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. We're working through it.
So this song is to help everyone cleanse our auras so we can hopefully make it through this day unscathed. And that's why instead of singing Adele's Rolling in the Deep, it's Young Jeffrey's Friday the 13th.
Dang.
Hey, okay.
Good thing you got that catheter in to hit those notes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That should help, actually.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to point when I'm ready. Point. There's a worry building in my mind. My paranoia's higher since we've been confined. All day strange things keep happening to me. I clogged up my toilet bowl when all I did was pee. Black cat crossed me, now that's not very good. I might turn to carpentry, get knocking on all the wood. I hear honking outside in the yard. Sinkhole just opened up right underneath my car. I must be cursed, cause it can't get worse. Just found out this morning they closed the CinnaBBON. My phone screen cracked up, my karma's jacked up. But then I see it, the date up on the wall. It's Friday the 13th. A pigeon pooped upon my head. Then I bent over and tore my jeans. Dummy stepped on a crack on the sidewalk, and right then my ice cream fell and landed on my crock. A new umbrella, I opened it inside. I stepped out and a lightning bolt turned me to Insta-fried. I read the omens and bad misfortunes. I bowled with bumpers, still got all gutter balls. This strange black magic turned my life tragic. Got cyber bullied on Facebook by my mom. On Friday the 13th, her comment got liked by my own dad. And then he pinned it to his feed. The worst day of them all. Friday the 13th, the day I lost my bestest friend. I had a pet rock, put him to sleep. I desperately need my luck to start anew. I picked up a penny and it's not cause I'm a Jew. Guilty pleasures, a cold frappuccino. Starbucks receipt came back 3 6s in a row. No,
Which I never heard about. Friday the 13th.
and when they served it
Things are gonna fall. Bad luck
up,
follows
the
me.
name's wrong on my
Better say God bless
cup.
you.
No,
If I'm gonna sneeze,
no,
got your wrong
oh, no, no. Pulled out my lucky charms and rubbed my rabbit's feet. I got so many in my hands that Bugs Bunny is scared of me. I'm not changing a fold, just staying ladder free. Got horseshoes stuffed inside of my pants, and I hate it. I can't fake it. It's Friday the 13th.
Jeffrey!
Do you need a hug after the whole mom cyberbullying thing?
Dang.
I think the dad, wow.
I would accept the hug,
Ouch.
but I feel like because it's today, the hug would go horribly wrong, and something even worse would happen.
Okay.
You make bad luck
Okay.
fun, Jeff.
Yeah.
You
Just
do.
so you know.
Okay.
Worse, really, really terrible things happened to
Yep.
you
Yeah.
in that song.
And the day just started.
Wow.
So-
A sinkhole even.
I know.
Who knew?
That was the best part of my day.